Assalamualaikum student. Today we are going to discuss the topic that is the types of sound wave basis on the way they are produced. There are the two types of the sound wave, rhythmic and non-rhythmic sound wave. Rhythmic sound wave that are the musical sound and non-rhythmic sound wave that they are noise. So here we write about it, a rhythmic sound. What is a rhythmic sound? Rhythmic sound is produced when the sound vibrate regularly and repeatedly. The vibrations are occur at equal interval. Here we draw the diagram of we draw the waves that are produced by the rhythmic sound. Here are the waves that are produced by the rhythmic sound. If we see that the waves are closely, we see that the vibration that are occur at equal interval of time. These are types of the devices that produce the rhythmic sound because it vibrates equally at equal interval of time. These instruments produce regular vibrations, so they create musical sound. So here we write that it's about the statistic of the rhythmic sound. Discuss the statistic of the rhythmic sound. First, the vibrations are regular. What means vibrations are regular? It means that is complete one wave in 1 second. It complete another wave in also in 1 second. So it complete its vibration in regular time interval. Frequency remain the same. It means that if it produce the one number of wave per second in each second they produce the one wave, then its frequency remains constant. It does not change. Produce a pleasant sound if the vibrations are regular and frequencies are remain constant. When the vibrations are regular, frequencies are remain constant, it produces a pleasant sound. This pleasant sound is used in music and singing. What is the non-rhythmic sound? A non-rhythmic sound is produced when the source is vibrate irregularly. Here we write it. Rhythmic sound. A non-rhythmic sound is produced when the source vibrate irregularly. What means it vibrate irregularly? Here we draw the graph of the non-rhythmic sound, that is like that. That sound waves are not regular. It produces the irregular vibrations. When they produce the irregular vibration, then frequency does not remain constant. When the vibration are regular and frequency does not constant, it produces an unpleasant sound. The examples: non-rhythmic sound, that is the traffic noise, construction machine, thunder, and people shouting all at once. That all are produce the non-rhythmic and irregular sound. Now we discuss about the characteristic of the non-rhythmic sound. Vibrations are irregular. When the vibrations are irregular and frequencies are changed continuously, that does not produce the constant number of the wave per second, so it produces the unpleasant sound commonly called noise. That is all. Today we discussed about the rhythmic and non-rhythmic sound.